How to only me featured photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can only me your featured photos, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have got a featured collection on Facebook, so you open up Facebook and then you tap the profile icon. When you scroll down here, you can see a list of featured collection which everybody is about to see. Now one way that you can lock strangers but only your friends from seeing the featured profile or the featured photos is by locking your profile. So when you tap the three dots option here, you can just choose to lock your profile. This way strangers who don't know you on Facebook will not be able to see your photos, but the downside is that it will still allow your friends who are currently in your friends list to view this featured photos. Now if you want to hide from everybody, featured photos itself don't have that privacy setting, but there is that one thing that you can do, and that's the turn on professional mode. So when you basically turn on professional mode over here, the featured collection is not going to delete, but it is just going to be not shown on the profile page no matter whoever visits your profile. So let me show you. I just turn on professional mode. I will just refresh it over here, and whenever I refresh it, I'll be able to scroll down and you can now see it says professional account, but you can see the featured collection is not there. So this way you should be able to only me featured photos. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.